Welcome to the Xmoon tutorial, part 2. We're going to show you how to install Xmoon on TradingView. Here's how you can easily install Xmoon. First, go to the website TradingView.com. Then, click on the profile icon and sign into your account. From the Products tab, you'll want to enter the Super Charts section. In the top bar, click on Indicators and then simply type Xmoon. That's all there is to it. Just click the star icon right next to it to add it to your personal favorites. Now simply click on the name of the system itself and you're all set. The Xmoon trading system has now been successfully installed directly onto your chart. By the way, hover your mouse over the indicator's name, then click the 3 dots right beside it. Select About this script. You'll then be taken to the main page of Xmoon. Here you can read the complete details of the Xmoon trading system. Make sure to follow the Xmoon page to stay updated on all the latest news. We'd be happy if you support us by hitting boost, and we'd be even happier if you leave a comment for us at the bottom of the page. Go back to the chart. You can observe the 3 push divergence patterns on any symbol and time frame that you wish to analyze. To customize Xmoon, click on its name and then enter the settings from here. You can specify the exact type of patterns you'd like to have identified, whether they are descending, ascending, or both. Additionally, for each trade, you'll need to specify which particular lines should be displayed. These include the entry lines and also the exit lines, specifically the risk-free and target levels. Then, right here, you must input the exact capital amount you intend to allocate to each individual trade. Subsequently, the system will automatically calculate the precise volume for each trading step based on the defined coefficients and then display it right beside each step. Here, you can also select the type of pivots that the patterns will be based on: super minor, minor, mid-major, and major. The further we move from super minor towards major, the stronger and more significant the patterns become. As you can observe, in super minor patterns, the pivots are weaker, and in major patterns, the pivots are considerably stronger. Now, would you like to know with which accounts Xmoon can be activated? Please send the word account to find out.